Hey friends, if you wish to add a shortcut on desktop screen for Microsoft Edge browser, then there are two ways. Now here's the thing, we can actually add any HTML link as a shortcut to desktop, but here's the thing, Microsoft Edge goes a way further. Let's say that I want to add geekchamp.com, the website, as an app shortcut to my desktop. So all I have to do is click on these three dots here, select more tools, and then select apps, and then select install this website as an app. Click on install. Okay, now there is an option here which says create desktop shortcut. Check this and click on allow. Close it, and now you can open it as an app from the desktop itself. This is a really fun thing to do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.